ng hopyang sibuyas.
Kawali, maglagay ng oil and onion. Lagyan ng sibuyas dahon. I-mix lang hanggang lumabas ang flavor. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of water. Dahan-dahan ng paglagay hanggang makuha mo yung paste texture. Set aside hanggang lumamig. Gagawa tayong dough. In a bowl, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoon of oil. Mix mo lang at lagyan ng 1/2 cup of water hanggang magiging ganito yung dough niya. Set aside, rest for 40 minutes, covered with plastic or towel para hindi ma-dry yung dough mo. After 40 minutes, ipaplat na natin yung dough. Gamit tayo ng rolling pin. Pisin natin ang pahaba. Lagyan natin ng 2 tablespoon of butter. Tapos i-roll natin at set aside ulit ng 40 minutes at takpan mo ng towel or bowl. After 40 minutes, hinati-hati ko yung dough para pare-pareho yung laki. Tinimbang ko ng 30 grams of yung dough, 30 grams yung filling. Ulit-ulit lang gagawin mo hanggang matapos mo. Ako nakagawa ko ng 11 pieces na hopya. Para maganda yung hopya mo, maglagay ka ng itlog sa bowl at lagyan konti ng tubig. I-brush lang. Heat the oven of 180 Celsius and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. And well done. Lupto na ang ating hopyang sibuyas.